In a recent video, I combined brands with famous anime characters. You guys seem to like the idea. So in today's video, let's spice things a little bit by combining brands with Minecraft mobs. So without any further ado, let's get freaky. First, we are gonna combine Doritos with the Enderman. I went to the interwebs to get Doritos logo and the Enderman's picture. We have the Doritos logo here, so let's place the Enderman right here. Now that we have the main subject, let's make this look sexy, starting by making a nice purple gradient. Let's make it more epic by making the Enderman's eyes glow using the solid color. Play with the blending options. Now to make it more legit, let's add the Dorito chip behind the Enderman and place another one in front just for control. Don't ask what control, it's just for control. Let's finish it up with the flavor text here. And ladies and gentle freaks, I present to you Doritos and the chips flavor. Next up, we have Mountain Dew and the mob that's responsible for Minecraft gamers' anger issues. Let's quickly cut out the logo from the background using the least effective way. Do the same with the creeper, then stretch it to make it fit the cat. This reminds me when I was in a cave mining for diamonds. I heard the creeping sound and this was the face I saw before losing my precious diamonds. Anyways, let's place the logo right in the middle and add a text flavor, Creeper Blast, and make Blast test red to resemble the danger that comes with the blast. Place it on the mock-up Mountain Dew Creeper Blast. For the last combination, we have Pringles and a magma cube. If you don't have an IQ count of 5, you can see why I'm doing this combination. The first thing, as usual, I'm going to place the logo right here and change the background to red and place a magma cube to fill the whole canvas and remove the background on the logo, and things now are starting to look freaky. Let's add a yellow accent to complement the red of this design and add a flavor text magma hot below the logo and the potato chip here to show there are chips inside, not a magma cube. Let's place it on a mock-up and we have Pringles magma hot. Now subscribe.